Let's take a look at the last two inputs that we highly recommend before we start diving into our first reviews and start exploring the other features in Edgewonk. So when you open a trade, you go to advanced trade data. This, for the most part, is all done automatically when you import your trades, except obviously for the setup, because your broker doesn't know which setup you're trading. So most manual inputs gonna happen here in advanced data. We've already covered the trade comments, and this is something that we highly recommend doing. And this poses the question, which level did the price reach first? So all you have to do is look at your trade, you look at your entry, your stop loss, your take profit, and then you evaluate whether the price would have hit your take profit and the stop loss first. This is completely independent from your actual trade exit. So we only look at the price movement. So let's assume we're looking at this trade. This is our entry. It's a long trade. The stop loss is here. The take profit is here. And we just look at the price movements and ask ourselves, which level did the price reach first? In this case, it's very clear. If we wouldn't have interfered with the trade, the price would have reached the take profit. So in Edgewonk, very simply, we just select take profit. That's already it. And this is really important input field because it's going to unlock one of the most helpful features in Edgewonk, which is the trade management graph, which we're going to cover in a later video here. And then the last input is the screenshot tab. Here you can attach up to 6 screenshots per trade. You can either attach files from your hard drive directly, or for example, let's assume we are using TradingView. We click on this camera. We want to grab the link here, and then we go back to the journal. We simply paste the link. We click on process URL and wait a few moments, and then you can see this is stored now into your trading journal. You can write a few things about your screenshot as well. Just click into this text field and you can just start typing. We click on save, and now you can see here is an image icon. This means that there is a screenshot. We click on it and we'll be brought here. We can click on it to enlarge this as well and see the screenshot behind the trade. When you go, for example, to your reports and then you go to Chartbook, you will see a list of all the trade screenshots that you have done. This is the journal section, but of course you can also assign screenshots to your missed trades or the trading plans.